Today we're interviewing 4 women who had diVa laser vaginal therapy. They're real patients. These are their real stories. We will hear from each one their own story of what they were experiencing in their lives before having treatments and how they feel their lives have really been changed. So ladies, tell me, how long have you been battling these issues?
I can't tell you exactly, but I'm 50 now, and I know it's been a gradual thing, and I didn't realize that it was a problem until after I had the treatment, and now I just can't believe how big the difference is.
Did you fear what was happening to your body, or just think it was part of a woman's life, part of what we signed up for?
Well, I totally thought it was just part of life. Getting older, I was sad about it for a long, long time. And I kept hoping that somebody would come up with something, and it's like year after year, and it's like I would go to the gym and I do the inners and the outers and the Kegels, and that nothing helped.
I just assumed it was part of life, and yes, I feared what was happening, but I didn't think I had any control over it.
I figured maybe this is just the way it's supposed to be, hot flashes and all. And I figured we would have to find other ways of being intimate with each other, which kind of was depressing in itself.
Did you feel comfortable talking about your situation to friends? What about when you visited your doctor? Did your doctor ever ask you?
I think my friends bring it up more than I do because it was embarrassing to me, but it's definitely talked about among our friend group. And I didn't realize what options were out there.
Never did I think of cosmetic surgery to help us in this area, but I'm happy that I know about it now.
But I did speak to one of my good friends, and she recommended that I go see my OBGYN, and I did, and I could not believe that the solution was so simple. In fact, I went shopping right after my treatment. So.
Can you tell me about the day you had your treatment? How did you feel going in? What was your treatment experience, and how did you feel leaving?
As far as the procedure goes, it is quick. It is, it's non-invasive. It's a little bit of pressure, and that's it. So, I was up and gone, and like I said, to the gym the next day, so there's nothing to fear about it. It's actually exciting. I don't know if that's the right word I want to say, but it's exciting knowing that you are doing something that's making your body feel better.
An appointment for a pap smear was probably way worse than the day of treatment, and I am not so fearful about going back for follow-up treatments. So it was a bing bang boom, it was over. So
I think I was nervous before I went, but when I went to get my treatment, the doctors were so wonderful. They told me what to expect as I was going through it, and really I expected it to be not a good experience, and it really was. It was no problem. It's an amazing, amazing procedure.
Tell me some words that you would use to describe yourself prior to your diVa treatments and after.
Anxious, embarrassed, a little bummed out, depressed at getting older. After treatment, confident, happy, very content.
I think before the treatment, I'd say I was sad about the situation because it's something I'd have to deal with daily. I did lose my mojo. I did lose my confidence. And then afterwards, I'm very confident. Like I said, I work out, I run, and I box, and you have to do jumping jacks and all that, and I can do it with ease now.
What is the most important message you would like other women to know?
You are not alone in this situation. You will kick yourself for not having done it sooner.
I have told all my girlfriends. I have told every person that likes me about it. It doesn't really matter how old you are. It doesn't matter if you're 35 or you're 50 or you're 60 or maybe even if you're 70 and you just want to feel better about your body. The biggest wonderful feeling is the confidence that it gives me.
And it's a solution. It's an easy solution. So don't be scared.
We have heard 4 women share their impactful stories today that demonstrate and focus on women's health and wellness issues. diVa has helped them take charge of their feminine, intimate health in a quick, comfortable approach. To find out more about how diVa is helping women, go to divabysaiton.com today.